Hello there, welcome to Watson's Daily TV. I'm Peter Watson and I'm here with my take on two major topics in today's business news distilled for you in 3 minutes. This is a cut down version of my weekday newsletter, Watson's Daily, in which I comment on a number of companies and themes. Can I beat this buzzer? Today I'm going to talk about the upcoming Lyft IPO and Worldpay's acquisition. Ride-sharing app Lyft is going on the road this week to convince investors to pay a big premium to buy into their loss-making company. They are going to be doing their best to get investor pulses racing with the prospect of buying expensive shares that have one vote, while the founders, who own 7% of the company, will get 20 votes per share with theirs. Lyft is more concentrated in the US and Canada versus its larger competitor Uber, which has a broader geographical footprint and is thus far less prone to PR disasters, so maybe investors will like this. It'll be interesting to see whether the shares price at the top of the range before floating on Nasdaq, or whether the company will wind its neck in a bit after investor feedback. Uber will be watching what happens very closely because their valuation will probably be used as a base for its own upcoming initial public offering. The other thing I wanted to talk about today was the acquisition of Worldpay. Fidelity National Information Services bought rival payments processor Worldpay for $43 billion. Worldpay specialises in services that enable digital payments, while FIS develops core banking platforms and asset management software, among other things. There's a lot of consolidation in the payments processing sector at the moment, as this deal comes hot on the heels of Fiserv's $39 billion acquisition of First Data back in January. Data processors need more size in order to compete with big banks on payment processing, and the increase in card and online payments is intensifying this need. This sounds like a solid deal from a strategic point of view, and the premium it paid does not look too chunky at this stage. Other than that, in today's edition of Watson's Daily, I talk about the Burko-shaped Brexit blockage, Get's IPO ambitions, Marriott's plans for more hotels, and JD Sports' acquisition of Foot Asylum. Anyway, Watson's Daily is intended to give you the essence of the day's commercial news with opinion. You can read the whole thing in anything between 1 and 7 minutes, so please go to watsonsdaily.com to find out more if you're interested. See you tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Watson, out.